Hi, I'm Carol Reve and welcome to this video. I wanted to do a quick video about OnPassive and how I market it. Okay, first let me say that if you're looking for information about OnPassive and you come across this video or somebody sent you to this, then get back to the person that invited you or introduced you to OnPassive. Now this is my Facebook group, and I'll leave the link to my Facebook group down below this, but you can join this, my Facebook group here, and we post a lot of different videos and different videos that would help and be helpful too. And if you have questions, you can always post questions in here. Okay. And right up here is my resource page that I set up, and so if you click on that, and I'll post this down below too, this is how I mainly advertise on Facebook. It's in Facebook groups. Now let me say that you do need to advertise daily, and it needs to be constantly. And if you don't have any real following on Facebook besides some family and friends, then it's going to take time. Okay, it's nothing that happens instantly. If you do have a following, if you've built teams before, then this should work really well for you. Oh, let me also say that if you're a founder and you have not gotten and seen the Private Founders webinar that was done on February 4th, which was just Thursday, you need to get, Ash really knocked it out of the park. That has to be the best. And he was only on it for like not even an hour, because he was going from one appointment to another appointment, and it was amazing. It was worth it was worth, I'd pay the founder's fee of $97 again to be able just to listen to that, to what he put out there. So I was always excited even before that, but that, yeah, thank you very much, Ash. I was having a hard time sleeping as it was. So if you're a founder, go back to your back office, gofounders.net, click on recorded webinars, click to webinars, and then recorded webinars, and listen to the last of February 4th private founders only webinars. Okay, and don't message me asking me what it said, because I'm not going to say anything. You need to listen to it. This is your business. You need to do your due diligence and to keep up with the updates that are going on. Okay. Now and it's really excited. You're going to be happy you did listen to it when you did. So again, this is my resource page. There's just a couple different ads that you can use for Facebook. You can put, your link down there, or sometimes what's really good is to put message me for more details, or comment below, comment below info. And then they're commenting, which is important, because then it brings your post back up to the top of the thread of the Facebook group. Okay, so that's those. This is the one right now that I'm using the most, and I'll show you how I post that. And this has a my video on there that I use. So, but you can use a link. You can use any one of these images. Okay, there's a picture of our ONPASSIVE office in Hyderabad, India. Okay, here's a short list, just a small list of some of the Facebook groups. Now you want to look for Facebook groups that allow you to advertise. Okay, there are some Facebook groups that you go in and they only want to have discussion and talk and things like that, and they don't want you posting links or anything in there. And that's fine. And this is a quick video about the page too. There's some email templates that you can use if you want to send out an email to people. Okay. And then you just simply go back here into Facebook, and if you type up there, you know, you can type in work from home, and then you can search, and that'll bring you up the groups that are work from home. Okay, you can join some of these, and don't join too many at one time, because you'll get put into something that's called Facebook jail, and you don't post too fast either. On my resource page, I give you some ideas about that right here, about posting 3 to 4 times a day and about 3 to 5 groups each time, you know, 10 to 20 groups. You know, eventually join a few groups every day and post in those groups, and then join a few more groups the next day and post in all those groups throughout the day. Gradually build up. So if you're already in groups and you already are familiar with this, then you just grab this and run. This is a link to my YouTube channel, and of course my Facebook group right there. But again, you can do work from home. You can do MLM, and it shows you a whole bunch of different MLM groups that you can join. Okay, and you can post in. Here's a MLM USA. All you simply do is go right here to, it's already on that discussion. Okay, you just click that and create a post, because you've already copied. Now I suggest to put these down on Notepad so that, you know, it makes it easy for you. And I did the hashtag ONPassive to draw. And I know a lot of times people will say, put on Facebook, you know, don't put the name on it on Facebook. But, you know, sometimes people are looking for ONPassive, and I want them to find my post. Okay, and this is the video that I have on my YouTube channel, and then I just post that. And then there it is. It comes up right there. Okay, very simple and easy. Now, again, let me say, this is ONPassive. You do not have to advertise. You do not have to recruit people if you don't want to. If you do bring in even one person or 2 people, or, you know, if you do bring in somebody, it just cuts down time frames to your building wealth and building a legacy for your family. Okay, so let's go ahead and do one of these right here, and I'll show you. Oh, I'll do this one. And now just copy this. All you would do is right click and just save this image to your computer. You click that and you save that to your folder. And then you'd be able to come over here. Let's say you're looking for, it's posted in affiliate marketing. Did I post in that one? Let's type in affiliate. And it comes up with affiliate marketing. And there's some groups right here. Okay, and so you're just going to post there. Because again, it says it's right on discussion. Okay, now you click the image. And you look for that image. Oh, actually, this is my new computer that I'm using that I got from ONPassive. So I'm going to have to save that image like I showed you. Just what? Okay. So I'm clicking this, and then I saved it right to my computer like I showed you, to click Save As Image, and it saves. And you put it there, and then you just put down below here, comment info below. Now, if you're just new and you've just started this, this is the way I would suggest you to do it, because chances are you're not going to have if you don't have a YouTube channel where you have videos that you've uploaded to it, then you want to do it this way. Okay, and this is one of the where it doesn't talk about actually OnPassive, but it gives you where it talks about how, you know, OnPassive will recruit for you, bring sales and traffic and signups and team building. Comment info below, and as they comment info, it brings your post back up to the top of the thread, because some of these groups have, yeah, this one has 67,000 members on it. There's groups that have over 300,000 members on it, 200,000 members on it. So it's very important to bring it back up. And then you can even, once they bring a once they make a comment below, you know, you can post down here and just respond to their comment. You can send them to a video to take a look at. I like using the overview. That is the one right here, you know, and on this overview, they always, you know, Susan always says, go back to the person that introduced you to the webinar, to OnPassive. So it's okay to use that. Just make sure you have your registration link ready to send right behind that one, for if that person has questions. And also contact your sponsor, because if they have more questions about it, you're going to want to contact your sponsor, so that you could do a three-way call. You could do they can do a message for you back and forth, so your sponsor can talk to them and give them more information. Okay, if your sponsor is not active, that's okay, don't panic. The Leadership Council is also always there. There's, you know, I'm here. There's so many leaders in OnPassive. Any one of them, you know, you could find somebody that is probably more than willing to help and to talk to them. And, you know, for you to be included in it too, so you can learn as you're going too. But that's the quick little short tidbit of how I post on in Facebook. It's important. The most critical part of it, if you're going to advertise, and again, on OnPassive you don't have to, because OnPassive does the advertising, sends eyes to your website. You don't have to do this. But if you want to cut time frames down a little bit, it's important to be consistent on your posting all the time, and check your previous posts to see if there's any comments. Respond to them. You probably are going to get spam in some of the groups. Okay, so, you know, it's annoying, but actually when somebody does spam it, it just brings it back up to the top. But it's annoying because they normally spam their links and stuff on there. You know, just move on to the next group. Just be consistent with your posting so people recognize you, and then they come back maybe a couple weeks later and say, hey, yeah, that's right, I did hear about that, and here's a post for that. I think I'll contact Sue or Jim or Arnold about this and see what it's all about. And then you can send them an overview video about OnPassive, okay, or send them your invitation link, a presentation link, a webinar. Send them to a webinar that the OnPassive Nation does, okay? So again, if you're a founder, make sure you're keeping up on the private webinars. They are really awesome. Ash is awesome, and things are just kicking into high gear, okay? So thanks for watching this video. If it helped, please like and share, and you guys have a great day.